Hello, so this video is about a Google Chrome extension called Cami, and this extension allows you to be able to write on PDFs. You can write with a mouse, or you could write if you've got a touchscreen computer. All you need to make sure is that you're using Chrome rather than Internet Explorer or Edge or Firefox or whatever the others are. I'm afraid these Chrome extensions don't work on iPads or phones or things like that, but they do work on full versions of Chrome, whether that's on a Windows computer or a Mac or a Chromebook or something like that. So here I am in Google Classroom. I'm logged on as Bob Johnson, which is my test child account. So this looks exactly like what you would see. And I've just opened today's post. And this is all the work that the teacher has set me for today. But I have a problem. If I click on this PDF of this maths, well, I can't write on it. Okay, what do I do if I don't have a printer? I can't write on a PDF. Well, actually, up here I've got a new tab. All I've done is gone to Google and just typed in K-A-M-I, Cami. And this is a Chrome extension, a Chrome app that lets you write on PDFs. So I'm going to go to this Chrome shop, the Chrome extension store, I suppose. Cami for Google Chrome. Here is the extensions. Here is Cami for Google Chrome. So I want to add this to Chrome. And yes, that's okay. Add extension, please. And here we go. We have now added it to Chrome. Okay, it might, because I've already done this once, I think, it might ask you to log in. So here I've just gone to this jigsaw piece and clicked on the extension. I've got quite a few running here. Mote is this voice app that your teachers might be sending you voice notes to. It's another extension like this, just Cami for Google Chrome. So if you come to this page, you want to log in with your school Google account. And I'm going to choose Bob Johnson and say accept for all of this, please. Yes, thank you. And almost there. Ooh, well, I'm going to say it's for school. And because I'm logged on as a pupil, I'm going to click student. And yes, I can finish. It'll show me what I can do, a little video clip. I won't play that now. And here I am. I'm logged in. So now, if I go up to this jigsaw piece, I can see that I'm logged in. Cami for Chrome is running. There's my settings and things. So I can close that now. And I can close that. I might just need to refresh this page. And hopefully Cami is now running. So you don't have a way of printing this maths work, this PDF. So I've clicked on it. But hopefully now you could see this button that says open with Cami. If that doesn't appear for you, you can click on this open with, and then you could open it in Google Docs, you could open it with any other, you could click on the plus and look for more apps that you could open this PDF with, but let's click annotate with Cami. Here we go, so it's opening up. And hopefully, yes, I can authorize Google Drive, that's fine. Oh, yeah, and I choose Bob Johnson. Allow, thank you very much. Here we go. So here now is my math sheets. I can scroll up and down. I can go to markup, and I can, if I've got, maybe there's a grid that I have to shade in, I can use a highlighter color, or I can add a comment. I could add a voice comment or a video comment to my teacher. That would be interesting. Or I can add a text box there. Let's add a text box. I do need to create a copy because Mr. Payne hasn't let me edit this file, so I need to create my own copy and then save it to Google Classroom. Today's Google Classroom. So now it's made a copy. Now I can write, if there's, let's undo. If there's some highlighting, maybe it says highlight 2/10 of this grid. There you go, I've highlighted 2/10 of it. I could go to my text box and I could write down what that is as a fraction, for example. And here I can then type, can't I? And I can put that in any box. There's lots and lots of options here. Drawing, you could draw on something. There's loads of things that you could do. Okay. All you then need to do up here is you could just save it. You could save it to your Google Drive, to your My Drive, and then upload it to Google Classroom. Because if I save it to my Google Drive, I would then go to Add or Create, and then click on Google Drive, and then look for that file that I saved in my Google Drive, and just add it. So then the teacher can see it when it's then there. Or I could download it to my computer and just save it on my desktop, and then it's the same thing. I would click Add or Create, and then just click File and find where I've saved that document, whether it's on your desktop or wherever you saved it. You can find it there, and I think it's just a good option if you don't have a printer and you'd rather do it this way. Okay, so if you're wondering how to actually then upload a piece of work that you've edited using Kami, I want to show you quickly here. So here I've opened that document with Kami. So say if there's a document down here, because the documents at the bottom here of a Google Classroom are the ones that you can't edit. The ones at the top here are the ones that your teacher has given you that you can edit. But say there's, again, today's maths, it's a different day than the example before, but let's click on this one. I can then open with Kami, as you hopefully have done now. There we go, it's open with Kami. Some of these options, like text-to-speech, are locked because you have to pay for those, but that's okay. So say, here's my example, there's my scribble. Let's see. Oh, yes, I do need to create my own copy, so I'm going to do that. So then let's see if this scribble shows up for us. So say this is my work. I've done and created my work. I need to then save it onto Google Classroom, don't I? So I'm going to click this little download button over here. And actually, I want to save it to my Google Drive. So you will be logged into your own school Google Drive. That's fine. We can call it Kami Export and then the name of that document. All the pages I'd like to save, please. Begin. Okay. Lovely. So it's saved everything now to my Google Drive. And I don't want to open it now. I want to go back to the Google Classroom for today. I want to go back over here. And I want to find that document that I just created and saved onto my Google Drive so that the teacher can see it. So I'm going to go Add and Create from my Google Drive. And hopefully, because it already has recent selected, I can select this one. Oh, look, here's my export from Kami. Select that one. insert, and then my teacher will be able to see the editing that I've done for that piece of work, and all I need to do is click hand in. And we're finished.